Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about the different types of decals that come with Gunpla kits. Decals can even bring out more detail in your Gunpla kits. There are three types of decals that you can get with your kits. Your normal peel and stick decals, your dry transfer decals, and your water slide decals. And here are some of the tools that I use to apply these kind of decals. Some water for the water slide decals, masking tape, cotton buds, toothpick, tweezers, and a hobby knife. We'll be applying these decals to a Destiny Gundam shield. The stick-on type is very straightforward, just peel them off the sticker sheet and apply them to the part. Sticker type decals can vary, also coming in different colors and shades, just like chrome and clear parts. With dry transfers, cut the certain section you want to apply to your part and use the tape as an applicator. Place it on your part, making sure to align it the best you can, and then apply a lot of pressure to the transfer area you want to put onto your part. Then slowly remove the tape that you use to apply the decal. With water slide decals, start by cutting out the section of decals you would like to apply to the part. Drop your decal into the water. Wait a minute or so. Then using a cotton bud, slowly drag off the decal onto your part. Take your cotton bud and with a rolling motion, you're going to roll against the decal. I hope this video helped, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.